Hi there. I will demonstrate how to set up a Pro license. If you scroll down here, there's a link how to purchase a Pro license. So, act actually, as of this recording, I have set the Pro license for free. But if you want to support the development, you can set any amount here. But if you want to get this for free, you can set this to zero. If you want to support the development, you can put something like 100 or whatever amount you would like to give. So if you want this free, enter 0. Okay, so please check your email. You should receive actually two emails. One, this one, as mentioned here, your license key will be sent on a separate email. So as also mentioned here, it says it may take up to 5 minutes to arrive in your inbox. So maybe you could wait for a few seconds or minutes. So actually, it just arrived. So here we have the actual license. So you should set that up in your MCP config in the environment variables. So we could copy this. So as mentioned in the previous videos, don't worry if I have exposed the license and API keys here because after this recording, I will revoke or delete these API keys and license. So, what are actually the benefits of having a pro license or as a pro tier? So, the benefits is this one, extended frame extraction. So, if the MCP will use the summarized video tool, for free users, it will be capped to 50 frames, and for pro users, this is the default is 100. But if you set it to zero, uh, if the pro user will set this to zero, it will be uncapped. So it it will take as much frames as possible. You could also manually set it to another value like 200 or whatever value you would like to set. Then other feature is the multi-platform downloads. First of all, either free or pro users can an analyze local and remote videos. But for video platform services such as YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Dailymotion, free users can only use the YouTube. But for pro users, almost all video platforms they can use. So yeah, that's a great pros or benefits for pro users. And the last one is the higher resolution. Free users are capped to 720p, and pro users can set it higher, like 1080, 4K, or whatever. So yeah, that's all.